Hello and welcome back to another Halloween tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be doing 5 Disney Halloween DIYs. For this first project, you can take any Disney Halloween card. I chose this one because of Disney's Boo to You parade. Next, I'm taking a black picture frame and I'm taking out the glass. Next, I'm using the glass as a template, so I know how much excess I need to cut off the card. Then just cut around the lines you traced so it fits perfectly in the 5x7 frame. Then just reassemble the frame with the Halloween card, and there you have your super simple craft to add to your Halloween decorations. The next project, I'm taking 2 glass bowls that I got from the Dollar Tree. Then I'm taking this oil-based paint marker to draw on the face of Jack Skellington. Next, take some flameless candles and then drop those right into the bowl, and there you have your Jack Skellington decorations. For the third project, you'll need some burlap sacks, and I used fabric markers as well as some paint markers. I started by using the fabric markers, and I am going around and tracing the face of Oogie Boogie. To darken and fill in his face, I'm using this Sharpie paint marker. This is perfect to fill with candy and use as a party favor for your Halloween party. For this next project, you'll need a candle and any printout you'd like to use of the Spell of the Black Flame candle. I'll leave a link below in the description of the one that I used. Once I've cut out the printable, I'm taking a lighter and burning the edges to give it an aged look. To apply the printout of the spell, I'm going to be using Mod Podge. You want to add a layer under and on top of the paper. Next, I'm taking some jute cord and super glue, and I'm wrapping it around the top of the candle. And that's it for the Black Flame candle. Alright, for the final project, I'm going to be taking this pumpkin and 2 styrofoam circles, and I got these both from Walmart. I'm going to be using this X-Acto knife to cut the shape of Mickey's ear. Next, I'm taking some hot glue, and I'm going to be using that to apply it to the top of the pumpkin. Then I'm using this air drying clay to cover and mold my Mickey pumpkin. Once the clay is all applied, I'm just using the end of my makeup brush to start the design of the pumpkin. I'm just using a reference picture of the Mickey pumpkin to draw my design into the clay. Next, I'm taking this X-Acto knife to cut along the edges of the design that I've drawn. Then I'm just peeling away the inside layers. Once the clay is dry, I'm taking it outside to spray paint the entire thing orange. Then I'm taking this yellow paint to paint the inside of the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And this is the final result of the Disney Mickey pumpkin. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our other Disney Halloween tutorials and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next.